Go Fast Campers, we're a manufacturing design company. We build adventure, camping, recreational products. We pride ourselves in doing all of that in-house here in Bozeman, Montana. Wiley, co-founder, developed a machine tending system.
When you have to stand in place at a machine, pushing a button, and if you step away for anything, those parts don't get made. At the time, I had no idea how I was going to solve that problem. I started seeing ads for all of the UR stuff. Like, okay, maybe this is the thing that will allow me to do it. The fact that Go Fast Campers exists is due to that, because otherwise I'd still be there overwhelmed with all of the parts that I had to make.
With the automation that we've been able to achieve with UR, we're able to run 4 machines with 1 operator over 2 shifts a day and achieve anywhere from 19 to 22 hours of production a day, with 16 hours of that being manned. On any given day, we run 20 to 25 jobs across the 4 machining centers we have. 174 unique parts could be made between any of those machines. We can basically change out from one unique part to another unique part in 5 to 10 minutes. This means that we can run 15 parts for one job and 500 for another. At Go Fast Campers, our employees are able to start at a base wage of $52,500 a year with benefits. As we continue to develop more automation across different areas of our factory, our promise is that we're going to keep increasing that entry-level wage, because in doing so, every employee becomes more productive and ultimately we become more competitive.
The 63, 65 people that we have employed wouldn't have those jobs at all if we hadn't built the entire company around the concept of automation.
This machining center and this UR robot integration, it's become so useful for us that we're looking to bring it to others so that they can get the same value that we have, that they can start out of their garage with automation and run their business effectively.
These automation tools, they actually have the most power for small businesses, because it's what will allow smaller manufacturers to compete with the bigger ones on price and features.
By showing our customers that we use automation throughout our manufacturing operations, especially the UR robots in our machine tending centers, we give our customers confidence that these products are being made ethically and being made to the highest degree of quality. And also, we really want them to feel good about where it comes from.